Tofu and edamame noodle bowl with caramelized coconut broth. Ingredients: How to make it. Step 1. Combine first 4 ingredients in a large skillet, bring to a boil. Add tofu to pan. Cook 12 minutes or until liquid is reduced to about 1/3 cup and starts to turn light golden, stirring frequently. Step 2. Prepare rice noodles according to package directions, omitting salt and fat. Add edamame to noodles during last minute of cooking time. Reserve 1/2 cup cooking liquid. Drain noodle mixture, rinse with cold water. Drain. Step 3. Add noodle mixture, stock, and 1/2 cup reserved cooking liquid to pan. Toss to coat. Remove from heat, stir in juice, salt, and spinach. Sprinkle with peanuts.